gold and silver both yet again traded with a very modest, very narrow zone and still with a bearish bias. Specifically, gold traded below 1930, as we discussed in the Asia session update, that below 1930 we could again see it hitting 1924, 25, 1925, 26 level. Precisely, it has reversed from 25 levels. At the same time, silver too has got the support at 2250 and since then bounced back. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. You can also remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Clearly it is trading in this bearish channel. You can find out there was one breakout but still very much within the zone, and hence only a buy entry is above 1935-36 zone, beyond which if you see gold trading you can expect 1940-1942 levels till 42 very good resistance, and beyond that it should try to reverse a bit till towards 45-50 levels. That is the first point. Next point is, you can see on the hourly charts it is still very much traded outside Bollinger Bands. It is getting the support from the ends of the Bollinger Band. You can see here at the same time the resistance is seen at 1930-32 zone, and then you can see till 1936 it has got very good resistance. Now yes, if you see it trading above this zone, certainly little more rise cannot be denied. At the same time, look at this. Trading below 1925 is what you can sell, but then 1922 is the pivot level, and below that we may see it again dropping hard. Now also, if you look at stochastic has retraced a little, MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness on the hourly charts. RSI is also trading at bottom. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. Look at these two candles, flat top getting resistance at 32 to 33 and then 35 anyway. This is a good resistance, and you can see after a bit of retracement again pulling it down and right now getting the support. So yes, once you see it trading below 25 you can sell for 22, and below that we may see 1918, 1915 levels as a greater support. Below 1915, remember, below 1915 1900 is the target if it happens today, or maybe it takes a day or so, but below 1915 the target is still towards 1900. Yes, it is trading outside the stock Bollinger Bands, and hence a little pullback cannot be denied. Stochastic oversold, MACD at bottom already, trading without any divergence or convergence here. RSI is also trading at bottom, and on the 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour chart, see these two candles, previous two candles double top here almost at the same levels getting the resistance. Now this is a barrier for gold where, you know, if it breaks past this barrier then only you can see a little more rise, and then 1935 in fact is a very good resistance. Also, if you look at the candle is right now pulling it down. Once it drops below 25 you can see 22 and below levels are certain. Stochastic has dropped, MACD trading with a bearish bias almost at bottom, and if you look at RSI, this is also trading at bottom. And on the 4-hour, now see on the 4-hour chart this candle almost of $7, and right now starting from almost 29, $7 is almost 22, which is also a good pivot, and hence it can at max try to stretch the drop till towards 1922 levels. Very good support exists there. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish divergent looking downwards, RSI is also looking downwards here. And on the daily charts, now see on the daily chart this candle is almost opened below the previous candle and is traded in red so far. There is no sign of a pullback. However, one must note, achieving the bottom at around 1922, giving higher lows, it can again try to show a pullback. Only if it breaks below yesterday's low you can say that there is bearishness here. At the same time, look at the size of the candle, 1936 to 1952, almost $16, and from 1934 to $16 if you count, that counts to almost 1910 and below levels. Yes, if it stretches the drop below this side, but remember this is still trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence there should be support coming in here at the bottom levels, and at worst I will see 1922 levels, 1920 levels giving it a very good support on the downside if it continues with the drop. Hence you can sell here at 1925, expect 1922, 1918, and if it drops below 1918 till 1915 it's a good support, else we will see it hitting 1908 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Stochastic here has dropped, MACD here is divergent and bearish, RSI is also at bottom. Considering this, sell at 1925 and buy at 1935 levels, 36 levels. If you are buying at 36, remember 38, 30, 40, 42 till 42, very good resistance. Beyond 42 only further bullishness can be expected, where you may see gold hitting till towards 45 and 50 levels. Chances are less. However, these are markets, anything and everything is possible, and hence take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 23rd mentorship batch. It starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. Now see silver on the hourly chart. See the drop here, retracement, and now again looking downwards. Certainly about below 2350. You can take a sell entry. I will wait for 2340 levels to be breached, and below 2340 more bearishness may prevail, where the target is going to 2260 levels. Below 2240, yes, the targets are going to be further low, and we may see it hitting 2220 and 2210 levels. Remember this fact. Right now it is very much trading in this bearish channel, and if you look at the movement, you can see after the drop, consolidation, then sharp drop, the consolidation, and if it continues with a drop below 2240, more bearishness is going to prevail, and hence you can take a sell and trade 2250 levels. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is still trying to trade with a divergence and looking bullish here. You can see this. Though the movement till now is fine, and if it converges from here, it can again bring sharper drop. RSI was oversold. It has recovered a bit. And on the 2 hour, now look at 2 hour chart. See the drop, consolidation drop. Now see the size of the drop here and here. It is almost diminished to less than half, which means that the bears are tired, it appears here, and little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. And what levels you should buy? Now we can buy here at 2270 and 2280 levels. Only about 2280 if you see silver, then only you can expect a rise. Then beyond that also 23, 2310 and 2320 are the three major resistance level. Hence, if you are buying at 2270, one has to remain extremely cautious of 2280, 23, 2310 and 2320 levels. That is the first point here on the upside. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD on the 2 hour charts have crossed over, trading with little divergence, and this crossover is happening at a slightly lower levels and then after a good drop, and hence we cannot deny this to stretch, or we cannot deny this to retrace a little. RSI is oversold and hence a recovery. And on the 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, higher lows, higher highs means 2270, and if it breaks past 2280, that should be the chance for silver to break out and achieve almost 23, 23 and 2320 levels. Hence, yes, you can buy here at 2270, but be very cautious till 2280 and $23 levels. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD willing to converge crossover. RSI is still trading oversold here. It has not come out of the oversold levels. And on the 4 hour chart, see the sharp drop, consolidation, drop here, consolidation. And if you look at the symmetrical formation, you will find higher lows, higher highs. I will just wait for it to break past 2270, beyond that 2280 and plus levels on the upside cannot be denied. At the same time, any break below 2250 will be equally opposite, equally bearish sign, and hence below 2250 you can sell, but then 2240 is the level you should watch out for. Stochastic trading at bottom. MACD is still trading bearish. RSI also trading oversold. Coming to the daily. Now see on the daily chart, first of all look at the candle size here and here, almost half the candle size what we had seen yesterday. Now look at these two candles, almost double bottom is done. Also the candle has started flat. Also it is trading outside Bollinger Band. The chances of pullback exist strong, possibly beyond 2280. It may try to in fact give you an equally symmetrical candle, taking it till towards 2320 levels. Possibility exists for this. Stochastic is oversold. MACD divergent and bearish, looking downwards, and RSI is also trading at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2270 and sell at 2250 levels. On the downside, 2240 is what you should watch out for. Below 2240 only further bearishness is going to prevail, and hence till 2240 you have to strictly put the stop loss at your entry price and trade with the stop loss at cost. On the upside, above 2280 only further bullishness can be expected, which might take the prices till toward 23. Till 2280 you have to put the stop loss at your entry price and trade accordingly, else it can reverse and close your trades. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, you can join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.